What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best smart locks in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save a few dollars and at the same time get a product of quite solid quality and performance, we believe that the August Smart Lock is the right choice for you. Thanks to a low price and top value for money, this lock deservedly won the title of the best budget smart lock that can be found in the market in 2021. The August Smart Lock allows the door to be unlocked using an application on a smart device. The unique base, which works with standard batteries, is mounted as a support for a classic look and works via Bluetooth connection and protected keys or passwords. The application for iOS and Android connects via Bluetooth to the lock. The lock reads the key defined in the application, and based on the match, then opens or leaves the door locked. Each key is previously entered into the database memory, and its expiration or entry time can be defined. For example, a person who has one of the electronic keys can enter the house on a certain date in a certain period of time. This is a great option, which allows relatives or friends to get the chance to enter the house in a quick and easy way, even when you're not physically close to them. The key is created in the application and sent to a specific person. When the defined login time expires, the password is deleted and can no longer be used. If the batteries suddenly run out, the base goes into sleep mode and allows the door to be unlocked with a classic key. Also, this smart lock is very easy to mount on any door. It only takes about 10 minutes, which is another plus that users like even more. The August Smart Lock comes in silver and has the size of 1.63 by 2.6 by 4.8 inches, as well as a weight of 13.9 ounces. The package also includes a set of 4 AA batteries, a door sense sensor, mounting hardware, and a locking adapter. For the listed price, color us thoroughly impressed. Up next, we present to you Schlage Encode, which in our opinion is the best lock with an alarm that can be found on the market in 2021. We are looking at a robust smart lock that connects to your Wi-Fi network and is compatible with Key by Amazon. It's a service that allows Amazon people to deliver packages inside your door instead of leaving them on the porch. It works with Key by Amazon compatible security cameras that allow you to watch and record all deliveries. You can also pair the doorbell lock so you can see who's on the front door and open it remotely if you want. The Schlage Encode joins your Wi-Fi network directly, hence there's no need for a bridge of any sort. But the bell alarm will only work with Z-Wave deadbolts, such as the company's old Schlage Connect. If you have a ringtone or camera ringtone installed, a smart lock icon will appear in the lower corner of the ringtone or camera window. You can click this icon to lock and unlock the deadbolt encode while watching a live video stream. Schlage Encode is relatively easy to physically install. The internal shield of Encode is significantly smaller than the one that comes with Connect, which makes it easier to juggle the internal and external elements of the lock while installing it. Once installed, you can set the Encode Wi-Fi lock settings on the Schlage Home app. Available both for iOS and Android devices, Schlage provides the first set of 4 AA batteries needed to operate the lock and comes with a single mechanical key. You can use the app to lock and unlock doors and create up to 100 unique codes that you can share with people you trust. If someone unknown tries to unlock your door, an alarm will be activated and you'll receive a notification. This lock also sends notifications when its lithium-ion battery is low. There's also an optical hands-free voice control, as well as compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa. Good stuff. The title of the most versatile entry smart lock available on the market in 2021 is up next, as we introduce you to the Kwikset Halo Touch Fingerprint. Halo is a robust product coming from Kwikset, a company that revolutionized residential locks with its tubular lock design more than 70 years ago. The lock utilizes a patented smart key technology, which allows users to re-enter their locks in seconds using new physical keys. This makes it easier to install a new lock on the Kwikset locks you may already have. It's also very useful if the key is lost or you're concerned that it could fall into the wrong hands. In short, the smart key allows users to quickly and efficiently manage the security of their physical keys. In addition to Halo's physical security, the smart lock and application functions also compare very well. Once installed, the lock can be configured using a secure application on a Bluetooth smartphone. And once Halo connects to the Wi-Fi network, it's easy to check the lock status, activity logs, or create passwords from anywhere, anytime. With the app, you can easily manage multiple locks in multiple homes. Halo can also be controlled by voice commands using Amazon's Alexa. One of the main advantages here is that the Kwikset Halo Touch Fingerprint lock saves up to 100 different fingerprints of 50 users. Also, it boasts a fairly simple installation that takes only about 15 minutes and is compatible with all standard doors. The Kwikset Halo Touch Fingerprint Versatile Entry Smart Lock comes in Venetian bronze and has the size of 4.18 by 5.39 by 9.82 inches, while the weight is 3.94 pounds. The package contains all the necessary tools for installation without the need for hardwiring or a professional locksmith. All you need to do is carefully follow the detailed summary instructions and interactive guide to configure the lock. Simple, convenient, versatile, all in one. Up next, we bring you the Ultraloq U Bolt Pro as the best runner-up smart lock that can be found on the market in 2021. The Ultraloq U Bolt Pro is one of the most versatile premium smart locks. Like most models, it uses a mobile app that allows you to lock and unlock doors from anywhere on your phone and has a keyboard that allows you to use temporary and permanent temporary PIN codes. It also has a fingerprint scanner, as well as a hidden key cylinder behind the keyboard. As if this weren't enough, the U Bolt Pro can be locked and unlocked using voice commands and is compatible with independent smart devices. This smart lock comes with internal and external accessories, a set of screws, mounting screws, 4 AA batteries, a screwdriver, a drilling template, and a Wi-Fi router. Its external presentation is in black with satin nickel and is made of zinc alloy material. The center has a 360-degree capacitive fingerprint scanner with an LED ring that briefly glows green when the device is locked or unlocked, and red when the wrong pin or fingerprint is used. Around the scanner are 10 backlit numeric keys, 0 to 9, for entering PIN codes, and an Ultraloq button that will lock the door from the outside and illuminate the keyboard. One of the most convenient features is the hidden key, which can be accessed by pulling out the keyboard and folding its wrist. At the bottom edge of the latch, behind the rubber cover, there is a micro USB port that can be used to power the lock with an external power supply in case the battery runs out. The internal control panel also has a black and silver color scheme and measures 4.9 by 2.9 by 0.9 inches. It has a thumb rotation button for manual control and a removable cover for 4 AA batteries that power the lock. The reset button is on the bottom edge. The lock is quite easy to install and has performed well in tests according to the opinions of its users. The scanner never recognized the fingerprint without registration and reacted as soon as the fingerprint was scanned. It also responded quickly to PIN entries and commands to lock and unlock doors. Alexa's voice commands to lock and unlock the door also worked perfectly. Thumbs up for sure. Finally, we've reached the top, and the title of the best smart lock available on the market in 2021 goes to the 4th gen edition of the mighty August. The August lock and app allow you to remotely unlock or lock doors, assign virtual keys to desired guests, check door status whenever needed, and always know who is coming to your apartment and who is leaving. Connected right from a box with built-in Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi smart lock is easy to install and connects to an existing lock so you can keep the original keys. In terms of features, there is one key with which you can do all the work, both unlocking and locking the door from anywhere. Also, the August Wi-Fi 4th Gen comes connected right out of the package and doesn't require any extra bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, so you get full voice functionality and remote access without any hassle or additional complications. It should be pointed out that it requires 2.4 GHz red Wi-Fi. What users like is that it also attaches fairly easily to an existing screw on the inside of the door, so you can continue to use existing keys. Also, you'll be able to instantly send secure keys to family, friends, or trusted people, all within the August app. Denial of access at any time. The August Wi-Fi 4th Gen is specially designed with biometric verification that allows you to choose whether you want to use your fingerprint or face recognition on your smartphone as an additional security verification before remotely operating the lock. Additionally, this smart lock works with 3 voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, that will allow you to use your voice to control the door, such as unlocking, locking, or just checking the status of your door. See exactly what time guests and loved ones enter and get out of your home with August's feed of activities directly in your app. The August Wi-Fi 4th Gen comes in a matte black color and has the size of 2.8 by 2.8 by 2.75 inches, as well as a weight of 1.52 pounds. You will get premium performance and high durability here, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.